That one is a fire. Oh, snap. Okay. He fighting over there, Ma. The girl and the boy. Blue Ivy and Brownie fighting. Oh, snap. Oh, I thought I was about to go down. Yep, it's going down right here. Well, not right now, but it's coming. Yep, it's coming. It's right there.
I can't record though.
You can't record it?
No.
It's letting me record mine. They just over there still fighting. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, I think I can't. You got a flash? How?
It just come on sometime.
Oh, come on, woman.
Twin.
He
I
over there
want to
just chilling.
record.
He's over there chilling. Oh, you can't record.
No.
Oh, snap. The alarm was stopping. What the heck?
Go fight yourself.
I knew you would see that right there. She over here biting his leg. Why he just biting her fur and her ears? She is not going. She biting his leg like it ain't nothing. Mom, record with that black phone. Yeah, your black phone don't work. It don't? Who's that? Puppy. He cute.
Let me see if it hurt when you bite. Oh, no, not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all.
Mom, you should buy this one.
Not at all. Twin.
You like a real baby.
Twin.
Cute. He did a flip. You can go. He'll be following my hand. No, he said you messing with him. Oh snap, he went on the couch. Hey, come on to this chair.
You little brother. Get your ass.
You see him?
Get up there.
Oh,
Oh, I'm gonna get you.
he caught him.
No, you want to go back in there?
He's right there.
Get up there.
He's going right on him.
Mm-hmm.
He is bad.
Mm-hmm.
If you buy him, we're gonna have to be chasing him.
I don't care, cause I'm bad. I like him.
Ma, you can see him brown his head on the camera for real, though.